Like a lion on the hill, standing proud and strong. Fearless leader, always moving on. With the heart of a king, they take the lead. Courage and power in every deed. But the wolf, oh the wolf, runs through the night. Focused, relentless, eyes burning bright. Together they rise, a force combined. Facing the storm, leaving fear behind. Lion and wolf, strength and will, power and focus, unbreakable still. Through every challenge, side by side, they conquer the world, they never hide. Lion and wolf, fierce and free, a mighty pair, their destiny. Together they rise, together they fight, chasing the day, owning the night. The lion roars, the leader stands tall, unshaken, unbroken, ready for it all. While the wolf stays sharp, runs with the pack. Adaptable, steady, no turning back. Through mountains high and valleys low, they rise above, they make it known. With every step, with every roar, they break through walls, they soar, they soar. Lion and wolf, strength and will, power and focus, unbreakable still. Through every challenge, side by side, they conquer the world, they never hide. Lion and wolf, fierce and free, a mighty pair, their destiny. Together they rise, together they fight, chasing the day, owning the night. The lion leads with heart and might. The wolf endures through darkest night. Two forces strong, united as one. They rise like fire, they'll never run. Lion and wolf, strength and will, power and focus, unbreakable skill. Through every challenge, side by side, they conquer the world, they never hide. Lion and wolf, fierce and free, a mighty pair, their destiny. Together they rise, together they fight, chasing the day, owning the night. Together they rise, together they fight. Lion and wolf, unstoppable might.